Hello, my little tractor. Repeat after me. I am strong like an excavator. I scoop up big feelings and dump them out. I am steady like a train on the tracks. Chugga chugga choo choo, I stay on the rails. I am cool like a bulldozer. I move through the day with power and peace. Vroom, vroom, shoo. My brain is learning every day. My brain says, let's try again. When I feel big feelings, I can pause and breathe like this. Choo, choo. My body listens when I ask it nicely. I can do hard things like the digger in the mud. I can stop when I need to. I can wait my turn like a good teammate. When my teacher says, time to sit, I can park my body like a dump truck. Beep, beep, beep. Stop. My ears are so good at listening. They hear grown-ups who want to help me. When I listen to Mommy and Daddy, I get stronger in my heart and brain. When I listen to my teacher, I grow big like a skyscraper. I am a kind friend. I share the toys, even the ones I really want. I use words when I'm upset. I say, "Can I have a turn?" Or, "I need help." I don't hit, I don't throw. I keep hands for high fives and huggies. I am awesome and hilarious. I make people smile just by being me. I am learning new things like a super duper crane. I reach higher every day. I am not a wild tornado most of the time. I am a mighty machine that knows when to zoom and when to stop and fill my fuel tank. I am learning to use my brain power. I I am learning to be the boss of my body. I can be silly and safe. I can be wild and wonderful. I am a great listener. I am a helpful friend. I am strong, kind, and super cool. And my excavator thinks so too. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's say together, I'm ready to be amazing today. I listen, I learn, I laugh, and I love. Choo, choo, choo! Let's go! Let's hit our day!